Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic: 7 easy home-based businesses that you can start right now. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or transition to full-time entrepreneurship, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Number 1 on our list is freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing can be a fantastic way to make money from home. There's a huge demand for content writers, copywriters, and bloggers. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients who need your skills. Here's how you can get started. First, create a portfolio showcasing your best writing samples. You can start a blog or write for free to build up your portfolio. Next, set up profiles on freelance platforms. Highlight your skills, experience, and include a link to your portfolio. Don't forget to ask for testimonials from satisfied clients. They can really boost your credibility. With dedication and perseverance, you can turn your writing talent into a thriving business. Number 2 is becoming a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can offer a wide range of services, including email management, social media management, scheduling, and more. Businesses and entrepreneurs are always looking for reliable VAs to help them stay organized. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting started. First, identify your skills and the services you want to offer. Are you good at managing emails, or are you a pro at social media? Next, create a professional website or a LinkedIn profile to showcase your services. Join VA networks and online communities to find job opportunities. Platforms like remote.co and Zirtual are great places to look for VA jobs. Over time, you can build a client base and even expand your services. Coming in at number 3, we have Etsy shop owner. If you're crafty or have a talent for creating unique items, selling on Etsy can be a great business. Whether it's handmade jewelry, custom prints, or vintage finds, there's a market for it. Here's how you can turn your hobby into a profitable business. Start by deciding what you want to sell. Do some market research to see what's trending and how you can price your items competitively. Once you have your products ready, set up an Etsy shop. Make sure to take high-quality photos and write detailed descriptions for each item. Promote your shop on social media and consider running Etsy ads to reach a larger audience. Customer service is key, so always respond promptly and be professional. Number 4 is online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services to students of all ages. With the rise of online learning, there's a growing demand for tutors. Here's how you can get started. First, determine the subjects you're qualified to teach. Next, choose a platform to offer your services. Websites like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and Wizant are popular options. Create a profile highlighting your qualifications, experience, and rates. You can also offer private tutoring sessions via Zoom or Skype. Make sure to gather reviews from your students to build your reputation. Over time, you can expand your tutoring business and even create online courses. Number 5 is dropshipping business. This business model allows you to sell products online without having to keep inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the order is fulfilled by a third-party supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. Here's how to get started. First, choose a niche that interests you and has good market potential. Next, set up an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Find reliable suppliers using directories like Oberlo or AliExpress. List the products on your store and start promoting them through social media, email marketing, and paid ads. Since you don't have to handle inventory, you can focus on marketing and customer service. Number 6 is home baking business. If you love baking and have a knack for making delicious treats, why not turn it into a business? From cookies and cakes to bread and pastries, there's always a demand for homemade goodies. Here's how you can get started. First, decide on the types of baked goods you want to sell. Make sure to check your local regulations regarding home-based food businesses and obtain any necessary licenses. Create a brand name and design attractive packaging. Promote your baked goods through social media and word of mouth. You can also sell at local farmers markets, food fairs, and online through platforms like Facebook Marketplace. Customer feedback is crucial, so always ask for reviews and testimonials. And finally, number 7 is online fitness coach. If you're passionate about fitness and have a certification, you can help others achieve their fitness goals from the comfort of your home. Here's how you can start your own online fitness coaching business. Start by obtaining the necessary certifications if you don't have them already. Create a website or social media profiles to showcase your services and share fitness tips. Offer online coaching sessions via Zoom or create pre-recorded workout programs that clients can purchase. Promote your services through content marketing, social media, and email newsletters. Engage with your clients and provide personalized plans to help them succeed. As you gain more clients, you can even develop your own fitness app or online community. And there you have it, 7 easy home-based businesses that you can start right now. Each of these businesses has the potential to grow and become a significant source of income with the right approach and dedication. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be looking for business ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.